colors. And that's why you have to be a professional to do this. You can't just have anybody doing it.
No, yeah, no, of course.
Are we good? Are we ready?
Yeah.
We ready?
Yeah.
Okay. You filming?
Yeah.
Okay. So basically this is a clean white Venetian plaster column here in Miami Beach. Very elegant, very clean looking. Every time when I say something clean, means that the color is bright. So for this white Venetian plaster, we had to add white tint and a little bit of blue to make it more bright, meaning clean white Venetian plaster. So it's custom. It's not just white Venetian plaster. It's a custom color to make it brighter white. So basically, we have a repair on the shiny Venetian plaster. It looks like a scratch. So the first thing I'm gonna try is using the sand rock. This is it. I don't know if you guys can see it. This is it. It looks like a scuff mark. So see how it came off? But when taking it off, it also takes out the wax and some of the Venetian. So this is not a bad surface. So now Chandel is gonna come back and put the wax for me. So basically what she's gonna do is just put it on and just start rubbing off everywhere where I sand it, and then we just buff it out. Just wax the whole area. No, no, no.
Okay, good.
Just the whole area, just wax the whole area. Don't be scared, just wax it. Not gonna damage that.
That's right. So pretty with it, that background. So boats going behind.
That's Fisher Island over there. That's one of the most expensive islands to live in. In plaster repairs, you got to know what you're doing. You just can't come and think you can do whatever you want. I studied it, so just looking, depending on what type of repair, I know how to fix the problem. So this particular reason needed just to be sanded. Looks like a scuff mark, needed to be sanded, but when I'm sanding, it does take away the wax. So I just gotta re-wax it, re-buff it, and for this particular touch-up, it's done.
All right. All right, I'm gonna get some close-ups of your hand.